Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back. Today, I'll guide you through connecting your Phantom wallet to Blockmesh in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto wallets or Blockmesh, this simple walkthrough will you have it set up in no time. First, make sure you have a Phantom wallet installed as a browser extension or mobile app. If you don't hear the official Phantom website and download it securely. Next, open your Phantom wallet and unlock it with your password or biometrics. Keep your secret recovery phrase safe. Never share it with anyone. Now, head over to the Blockmesh platform website. Make sure you are on the official side to avoid scams. Once there, look for the Connect Wallet button, usually at the top right corner. Click it and list of supported wallets will appear. Select Phantom Wallet from the list. Your Phantom extension or app will prompt you to approve the connection. Review the permissions and click Connect. Now, your Phantom wallet is linked to Blockmesh. With your wallet connected, you can now explore Blockmesh decentralized network features, send or receive tokens, stake, or participate in governance. Remember to always keep your wallet updated and never share your private keys. That's it. Connecting a Phantom wallet to Blockmesh is straightforward and opens up many opportunities in the blockchain space. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.